Ever found yourself in a bind with Housecall Pro? Needing a lifeline to get things running smoothly again? Maybe a feature isn't working as expected, or you've got a billing question that needs answering pronto. We've all been there, right? That moment when you just need to connect with support and get back to what you do best, serving your customers. Navigating software can sometimes feel like trying to find your way through a maze, and when your business relies on it, getting stuck can be incredibly frustrating. You're out in the field, juggling appointments, managing your team, and the last thing you need is a tech hiccup slowing you down. That's why knowing exactly how to reach Housecall Pro support is so crucial. It's your direct line to getting those issues resolved quickly and efficiently, minimizing downtime and keeping your business on track. Think of it as having a reliable partner in your pocket, ready to assist whenever you need them. So, if you've ever wondered about the quickest ways to get in touch with the Housecall Pro support team, you're in the right place. We're going to walk you through the various methods available, highlighting the pros and cons of each, so you can choose the one that best suits your immediate needs. Let's dive in and make sure you're always just a few clicks away from the help you need. One of the most direct and often quickest ways to get assistance is through the in-app chat feature. If you're already logged into your Housecall Pro account, this is often the most convenient option. Look for a chat icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open a chat window where you can type your question or describe the issue you're encountering. The beauty of the in-app chat is that you can often get real-time responses from a support agent. This is particularly useful for quick questions or when you need immediate clarification on something while you're actively using the platform. The agents have access to your account information, which can help them understand your specific situation more effectively. However, response times can sometimes vary depending on the volume of inquiries. During peak hours, you might experience a short wait before an agent becomes available. Also, while great for quick fixes, more complex issues might require further investigation and a follow-up via email or phone. Another fundamental way to connect with Housecall Pro support is via email. This method is often preferred for less urgent issues or when you need to provide detailed information, screenshots, or attachments to illustrate your problem. The dedicated support email address is usually available on the Housecall Pro website, typically within the Contact Us or Support sections. When sending an email, be sure to include as much relevant information as possible. Clearly describe the issue you're facing, the steps you've taken so far, and any error messages you're seeing. Attaching screenshots can be incredibly helpful in allowing the support team to quickly understand the problem. While email might not offer the immediate response of chat, it allows you to articulate your issue thoroughly and provides a written record of your communication. The Housecall Pro support team typically aims to respond to emails within a reasonable time frame, and for complex issues, they might follow up with a phone call for more efficient troubleshooting. For situations that require more in-depth troubleshooting or a real-time conversation, contacting Housecall Pro support via phone is often the best approach. The support phone number can usually be found on their website. Calling allows you to speak directly with a support agent who can guide you through potential solutions, ask clarifying questions, and even remotely access your account in some cases, with your permission, of course, to diagnose the problem. Phone support is particularly valuable when you're dealing with urgent issues that are significantly impacting your ability to use the software or run your business. It allows for a more interactive and immediate problem-solving process. However, be mindful of the support hours for phone lines. They might not be available 24/7, so it's always a good idea to check their website for the specific hours of operation. Also, depending on call volumes, you might experience a wait time before you can speak to an agent. Beyond direct contact methods, Housecall Pro also offers a wealth of self-service resources that can often provide answers to common questions and solutions to frequently encountered issues. Their help center or knowledge base is a treasure trove of articles, guides, and tutorials covering various aspects of the platform. Before reaching out to support directly, it's always worth checking their help center. You might find a step-by-step guide or a detailed explanation that resolves your issue quickly without needing to wait for a response from a support agent. These resources are often well-organized and searchable, making it easy to find the information you need. Topics covered typically include everything from setting up your account and managing appointments to processing payments and generating reports. Utilizing these self-service options can save you time and provide immediate answers to many common queries. In addition to their official support channels, Housecall Pro also has a vibrant community forum where users can connect with each other, share tips, and ask questions. While this isn't a direct line to the official support team, it can be a valuable resource for learning from other professionals who use the platform daily. You might find that other users have encountered similar issues and have already found solutions. The community forum can also be a great place to discover new ways to use Housecall Pro and learn about best practices. However, keep in mind that information shared in the forum is not official support. So for critical issues, it's always best to use the direct contact methods. To ensure you have a smooth support experience, regardless of the method you choose, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Be clear and concise. When describing your issue, provide as much detail as possible, but try to be clear and to the point. This helps the support agent understand your problem quickly. Provide context. Mention the specific area of Housecall Pro you're working in when the issue occurred, as well as any steps you've already taken to try and resolve it. Include specifics. If you're getting an error message, note it down exactly. If you can take a screenshot, that can be incredibly helpful. Be patient and polite. Remember that the support team is there to help you. Being patient and polite will contribute to a more positive and productive interaction. Note down your ticket or reference number. If you're assigned a ticket or reference number, keep it handy for any follow-up communication. Knowing how to effectively contact Housecall Pro support is an essential part of maximizing your experience with the platform. Whether you prefer the immediacy of chat, the detail of email, the directness of a phone call, or the self-sufficiency of their help center, having these options at your fingertips ensures that you can get the assistance you need when you need it. By understanding the different methods and following a few best practices, you can navigate any challenges and keep your business running smoothly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.